Hi guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Tianna, and if you guys are returning, it is so nice to see you guys again. I have been looking for a makeup bag like this for so long. It's in here. First off, the packaging is very cute. Okay, look at that. This here is from Becko. Okay, they're on Amazon, very affordable. Now they did send this to me. They actually also sent me a jewelry organizer, which I did a video on, and I've been using it ever since. And I'm actually going on a trip, so I thought this would be perfect, and I'm going to actually show you guys the makeup that I'm probably going to be packing for my trip. I put it back in the box so you guys could see the actual box, but this is what it looks like. So cute. I love the outside because first off, if anything gets on it, you can wipe it off. If water gets on it, it's not going to get soaked. So that's perfect. Secondly, look how cute this is. It's all like makeup brushes, lipsticks. This is how big it is. So it's not a small makeup bag, but it's also not gigantic. It also has a handle, so if you wanted to just bring it like that, you could. And it opens up like this. Love it so much. So going right here on the lid first, here you can keep your brushes, which I like because it's separate. You have your little compartments that you can stick them in, and you have the flap to actually protect them to keep all the dirt out. If you don't want to put brushes in here, you could put your eye pencils, you could put your lip liners, you could put your lipsticks or your fragrance perfume in here if you wanted to. So I thought that was great. On the side, you actually have a zipper and a little compartment that you can put anything you want in here. So if you wanted to put palettes in here, they would fit. If you wanted to put like maybe some blushes or anything like that, like this is a spot, but I like to put a palette just so that it's tucked away, it's protected, and it's good to go. You're actually able to take out the dividers. So if you don't want the dividers, you don't need them. But if you want the dividers, you can have them to separate your makeup and also just protect it. If you wanted to take all of them out, you can. But the other fun part about it is you don't actually have to put them back in the same spot. Because it's like Velcro, you're able to put them like differently than how they went in if you wanted to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys kind of where I would place things, what I would bring with me, because I mean, I'm going soon, so I might as well start packing up my makeup. But I'm going to show you guys everything that goes in here, how I place it, everything like that. The very first thing that I'm going to need is the concealer, so I'm actually going to put the concealer in the smallest pouch. I know I'm actually going to need a primer, so I'm going to put my Smashbox primer water in here just because I'm trying to use up the primers that I have. So I'm going to stick this. Actually, I'm going to put the primer and my Guerlain concealer in the same one. That's what I'm going to do, so I'm going to tuck them up here. I know I'm also going to need a foundation. So the foundation that I've been using is the Guerlain one. So I'm going to put this one in here. I'm just going to tuck it on top just so that I have like my base, my concealer, my foundation, that was hard to say, and my foundation in one. So the next thing I know I'm going to need is my powder. So here is my face powder. I'm almost out, so I'm trying to use it up. So I know I'm going to need my Rimmel London one. I know I'm going to need my Laura Mercier one to set underneath of my eyes because this one works best for under my eyes. And this Essence one really helps to brighten up under my eyes. And I find when I go on trips, it's better to bring something that's going to brighten my eyes just because I know sometimes I can have dark circles. So I'm going to put that all in actually just like this so that none of them roll around, so it's nice and tucked away. So I'm going to pack my Tarte Parte Amazonian Clay Blush. This is the only blush I have, so I'm going to pack that in there. So I know for a fact I'm going to need sponges. I know these are dirty, but I would clean them before I leave. But these I would need to bring with me. So I would tuck them just by themselves, just like that, tucked away. I know they're dirty. I wish I weren't that dirty, but I do need to wash them. But anyway, I know I would bring those. Definitely be bringing a mascara. I do need to get one before I leave just because this one's about 3 months old. It's getting dry. It's irritating my eyes a little bit just because it's older. But I would bring this, so I would actually place my mascara up here with my eye items. And I also bring my Thrives Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener just because this acts as a highlight and it also acts as like an eyeshadow and it also acts as a eye brightener. So I like this. It's a multi-purpose, so I'm bringing this. The next things that I'm going to bring are these two palettes here from Mary Kay. I use these literally all the time. Like, I use them in my videos all the time. I'm wearing them all the time. Probably any look that I have on, it's using these. Love the formula, love the pigmentation, so I'm definitely bringing these with me because I know for sure I can use them. And not just that, I feel like I can use this shade as a highlight if I need to, so bringing these. So my mascara, my Essence mascara I put up here, my Thrives Cosmetics I put up here, and same with my Mary Kay palettes. One's here and one is in here, just so that they are tucked away. So now for eyebrows. And this is my only eyebrow combination. These two things, I use this brush just to get my eyebrows more precise. I use some of the pencil. This here is just an eyeliner brush. This is an eyeliner pencil from the Body Shop. So I'm going to pack it all with the Brilliant Eye Brightener just so it all fits. So I'm going to bring actually two Mary Kay lipsticks. So one is more of a berry toned, one is more of just a brown tone. So I'm definitely going to bring these two because it's fall time. And I'm also going to bring my Fresh Sugar Cream lip treatment. This way, if I just need something to quickly throw on or like something to hydrate my lips, this will work very, very well. I'm going to bring my lip kit, which just has the lip lacquer, the lip sealer, and the lipstick remover. If you didn't see my Mary Kay holiday collection, I talked more about these in there. But if I want something more long lasting, this is the perfect way to go. So the next one that I bring is my Morphe 25B palette. This way I have just a couple of other extra shades to work with if I need something. It's not too big, it's not too bulky, so it can just go right in and also zip up. So it's tucked out of the way. The last thing I would put in here would be my brushes. So because these are the only brushes I have, I basically bring as many as I could fit in here. So that's what I do. I'm not going to put all of them in there just because I do want to wash them before I leave, but just so you could have the idea of what I'd bring. So lastly, for makeup, because I'm outside, I would definitely need to bring a setting spray, and because this one has SPF, I'm probably going to bring this one just so it can protect my skin a little bit more than a regular setting spray. So I'm just going to put that on an angle, tuck that in right there. What I could do is I could bring my big bottle of perfume, but because I actually got some perfumes from Mary Kay that are small, I'm actually going to bring a Cityscape and Forever Diamonds with me. So again, like I said, my brushes would obviously go in like here, whatever else I could fit, I'd put in, and then I would close it. So you can see here I have my powders, my setting spray, my foundation with my concealer and primer under there. I've got my beauty blenders, my lip product. Because I have some extra room, I'm going to put my Eminence cream in there, which will fit good, along with my Body Shop makeup cleansing balm. Because I can fit a lot more in here, I'm also just going to put my anti-wrinkle eye cream, and then literally all I need is to just pack my face wash and stuff like that in another bag. So this is everything that I'm going to bring with me, unless I pick up just a couple of things. Like I said, I need to get a new mascara just because this one is getting really old, so I need to buy one of those before. I also need to go buy a couple of things, maybe like a new concealer, I think. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I believe they had another color. I think they had a purple one also. And they have so many different items. And both items that I've gotten from Becko have been very, very good quality. And I've actually used them. So it's not like it's a good item and then I put it aside and I never use it again. I actually use them. They're very, very handy, which I like. It would also make a good gift for someone because we're coming up to the holidays, right? Or a good gift for yourself, or if you're traveling, it'd be very, very good to have. So if you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have not already, make sure to go subscribe, ring that bell to be notified anytime I upload. Make sure to go follow me on social media, and I'll see you guys in the next one.